Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Honey. So today we are going to do a general reading from 16th of May to 31st of May for Leo. This is a general reading, so please see how it resonates with you, take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Okay, so we'll take out 3 cards seeing the probable challenges or challenges or obstacles that you might be going through or might go through, the advice and the probable outcome by end of the month. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for you. What are the challenges Leo might face 16th to 31st of May. 16th to 31st of May, sorry. Challenges Leo might face 16th May to 31st of May. Challenges that Leo might face. Okay, Tower. What is the guidance? What is the guidance for Leo? What's the guidance for Leo? What's the guidance for Leo? I think this wants to come out. Okay. And we'll see what's the probable outcome for Leo by end of May. Probable outcome for Leo by end of May. What's the probable outcome for Leo by end of May? Please avoid the background noise. It's a street dog. Probable outcome for Leo. Probable outcome for Leo. Okay, I need one card. Probable outcome for Leo, 31st of May. Okay, got it. Okay, bottom of the deck we have King of Swords. So somewhere you are, I think you are struggling to communicate whatever is running in your mind. You are not able to express what is happening. You are not able to be vocal about what is bothering you. Okay, so that is somewhere is causing the issue, and since you are not able to express, it's somewhere causing you emotional stress, or it is something related to emotions. Maybe in your personal life you are not able to communicate, which is making you think but not say anything. Yeah, let's see what is the outcome here. What's the challenge here? So Leo, what I see here is you have, if that is the case, that you are kind of following a certain pattern of doing certain things. I mean, maybe in your workplace, if you are following a specific pattern to work or to deal with your team members, with your colleagues. In your personal life, if you are following a specific pattern and you are not changing yourself, your beliefs, your way of doing things, depending on the requirement or the new norms, it is somewhere causing you this difficult situation that you are not able to stay at the highest level, and you kind of somewhere fall down again to zero. Like people are like, no, this is not the way I was expecting you to do this, Leo. Please figure out a different and new way to do it. Okay, so somewhere I think that is what is causing problem, that you are not able to be vocal about what is bothering you, and since you are following the old behavior or old pattern of doing things, you are not able to cope up somewhere with the requirements or the expectations, which is causing you this problem of not being able to get the reward for what you do, or not being able to be understood by the people you want to be. Okay, yeah, somewhere I feel you do not express, and that is your old behavior, and because of that people don't understand you, and you're like, nobody understands me, what can I do? Yeah, for some of you this may be very particular also. Okay, so the guidance here for you is to be very clear, very confident, and be very you need to have a proper way of doing things. You need to be very confident basically. See how a king is, king doesn't need to speak out everything in detail, just one statement and everything is clear, right? So you have to be very clear on what do you want to communicate, what kind of guidance you are looking for. Maybe at your workplace, if you need some support, you need some guidance, then reach out to the respective people, reach out to your supervisors, to your seniors, at your family level, at your emotional level. If you are in your relations, if you are struggling to communicate, be vocal about it, be very confident when you are speaking out. Okay, so you need to be very clear, you need to change your perspective of saying things. If you are not being understood by the other people, try to explain them in a very simple and subtle way. Okay, instead of going around roaming around the bushes and trying to communicate, just be very straightforward, be very clear, be very confident when you are saying things, and then you will see the change. Okay, so you have to be basically very clear on what you say, because see the outcome. These cards are similar, King of Wands and Six of Wands. So since you're struggling in communicating, people are not able to understand it, or they are not taking it seriously. Okay, so if you will communicate it properly, things will work out in your favor. But the thing is, you need to speak out, you need to take action for yourself, you need to be very clear on what do you want. Okay, so because nobody can read what is going on, and even if some people can read, they may not act because you are not speaking out, right? So you need to speak for yourself, only then you will see the positive change in your favor. Okay, yeah, so that's the reading, guys. If you want me to make a detailed reading, please do let me know in the comment section. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.